the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I'm really sick of this little tripod thing. It sucks. It's so weak. It was like the cheapest thing I could find on Amazon. That's probably part of the reason I dislike it. I'm looking at some other stuff, but I might have to cancel doing this show for a little while because it keeps falling over. But I got something cool sent by a reader named Breeze. Thank you very much. This is Eco Cup Noodle. So the idea behind this is, see, there's your cup noodle thing. So you peel the lid off and you flip it over and you put it in your cup noodle cup. Add the water. You don't have to use another foam cup. Well, I have one cup noodles cup that came from the cup noodles emergency kit. Yeah, they come in cans. You get 2 cup noodles. They come in a can. But I don't want to use that. I don't want to mess it up. I've got a perfectly pristine, intact cup noodles. Hi, Miles. What you doing? Are you mocking me? Maybe a little bit? Yeah? Marshmallow? Okay. But anyways, I have 330 milliliters of water on Rotato, which doesn't need to be rotating. And yeah, let's throw this in here. It's got a little tab. Peel it back. And off. Info on the bottom. Oh, weird. It looks. And you supposedly, I guess, you just flip it over and push it down from the top. What are you talking about, Miles? Enjoy your noodles every day? No, Alexa's not here right now. So I mentioned 330 mils of water and 3 minutes. So that's what we got going on here. I microwaved the water, but it also showed that you could microwave this somehow. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah. This looks like a fancy one. This has got the egg and stuff in it. Go sit on the couch, buddy. Go. You want a cookie? It's been a hell of a day for kids. We've got a book called Pizza Pat, and there's a page where it's one of those picked up, it's like you do this and you do that and you do this and you do that and you read it over and over. And one of the pages, he puts the pizza in the oven and it's 800 degrees. And I always did it with the kids. Like, I would touch the picture of the oven that's hot and go, youch! Well, this guy over here, we're doing that, and Mimi did it, and she's laughing, and he runs over and hits it, and it clips me right in the lip, so I get a fat lip, and he's all, ouch! Like, yeah. I was on the phone, Mimi was screaming and yelling, Papa, help! because Miles was sitting on the opposite side of the couch. I tell you, some days, but it's all right, you know. I won't kill them. I won't. Mark my words, I'll never kill my children. That wouldn't be kind. I'm not gonna push the button on the microwave just so you can hear the microwave song, Miles. No. No more microwave today. He really likes that microwave song. It goes da 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 da. He like runs around. Da, 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 da. Microwave, microwave. Whoa, you like the microwave, don't ya? I like the microwave. We went through. The microwave is so cool. We went through like a lot for this microwave. Because the first one we got, what was the deal? The first one we got, when you'd microwave, we had one that broke down. We got a new one, and you run it, and the whole thing would get ultra hot. And so we returned that. And we got another one, brought it home. The whole screen, or not the screen, but the window on the front was completely shattered. Brought it back, got another one. Checked it at Best Buy. Yes, all three of these came from Best Buy. Got it home, works fine, still works. So, yeah. And then here is our Nissin Chikin Ramen Cup Noodle Refill. So basically you don't need a cup noodles styrofoam cup. And Miles is in the mood just to chatter non-stop. I love my boy, but sometimes, I just wish he would shush. She will. So what'll happen is he'll be on this tablet, and I'll be like, should play with the boy. And he'll be like, no, I'm playing a game. So I'll just bug the hell out of him, drive him nuts. Some egg. Nice. Yeah. Certainly doesn't want to let go of each other. That brings me back. That's much like the very first instant noodle I had when I was a kid. And I am going to leave it the way it is. No, I do have some spring onion I'll use. Right smack. It's a green bowl. Miles, shush! Here we go. Is that gonna stay? Hey, that's pretty good.
ha, jocularity and fun to be had. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans, the ramen reader with the really bad tripod, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.